I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you control: the email account, phone number, or linked Facebook page connected to the Instagram account. Once done, open Instagram's login page and tap Get Help Logging In or Forgot Password. Enter the username, email, or phone number and request a login link or code. If you don't get messages, check spam and the correct account inbox. Make sure to note timestamps and any error messages for the next steps. Once you've requested help, choose Need More Help and fill out the recovery form carefully. Include the email or phone Instagram previously accepted. If offered, select the option to verify with a video selfie. This proves you're the legitimate owner. Follow the on-screen prompts and record in a well-lit area. If you have prior login codes or device screenshots, attach them. Keep your responses concise and truthful. Instagram reviews these manually, so clear matching details speed up approval. After Instagram restores access, immediately go to Settings, Security, then Two-Factor Authentication to generate backup codes. These let you bypass SMS or app codes later. Save them in a password manager and print a copy, storing it somewhere safe. Do not screenshot to cloud services. If recovery fails, retry the Need More Help form using a different contact email, attach clearer ID photos, and check spam folders. Sometimes wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.